Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Today I will show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy J7 Android phone. The hard reset will delete all the data from your internal storage. So if you think you might need some of the data even after the reset, it's best to make a backup. Warning, be remember, you do this fully at your own risk. Number 1. Make sure your phone battery is fully charged. Number 2. Better remove the SIM card and memory card from your device before these operations. Number 3. If you reset or update your phone, all of your data may be lost, so it's good to do a fully backup before. First of all, I power off the phone. Press volume up, power button and home button at a time. Press and remove finger at a time and wait. And here we use down volume and select factory reset and press power button, down volume, power button and wait. You see this? Please reboot. Press power button and wait. Here you select your language, English, United States. OK. Start. OK. And select your Wi-Fi username and password. Connect. Next. And scroll down. I have read and agree to all of the above. Next. Here you input your mail which you use previous and password and next. I want use my phone number. Select verification code add phone. This phone number is insert already, that's why it generate automatically. And next, add previous account. I have already, that's why I would not use new account. Here Galaxy J7 promo backup. All apps and contact number and everything will restore. I need, so I restore. Next. Next. I can't fingerprint and pattern, so no thanks. Skip. Scroll up, turn on, and scroll up and accept. Restoring all apps and data in my phone. It will take some time to restore the data, so I have to wait. And scroll up, skip again, and scroll up, finish. So the phone is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please hit the subscribe button if you like this video, if you benefited this video. Thank you.